Straight down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, next step it says is to remove the exhaust. There is Allen bolt there, or a couple of bolts underneath. The other one goes through onto the rear foot peg and is welded to the muffler. There are 2 nuts here, they are both 12mm, and also the oxygen sensor, the O2 sensor. Now I have these spanners special for things like this that can slip over the hose. This is a 17mm. You can slip over the wiring and go up to the nut, and it still acts like a ring spanner. And they say also do not touch these with your fingers. Looks a bit sooty, I don't know. Is it running rich? Something I'll have to Google. I did put some WD-40 on all the bolts that I thought I had to remove, so that it's had time to soak overnight. And 12mm. Two nuts off the studs, and that just pulls off. Now to work down here. This is a 10mm, and there's a join under here. Okay, this is a 6mm Allen key. And there was a threaded part in the frame, so there's no nut on the back. I'll leave that sitting. This one's loose, that one's loose. The foot peg is 17, and there's not much room to get in there. But I think I'm doing that up. That's better. Always like to use sockets first. There's no room to get a socket in here between the swing arm. Ring spanners next. Open enders if you have to. Nothing washer. Oh, a broken frame. It's not doing anything. Put the nut back on so I don't lose it. And it just slips out. Like that. The old 500 vibrations, I'd say. Time to set this aside. I'll put these nuts back on the studs just to protect the ends and also not lose them. My head in the way, no. Another piece of rag to go in. Now I will, that's loose, separate the muffler. It's quite a hefty piece of steel. Could be the, I think it's the bushing in there that must help seal, but it's on the inside, so not sure.